In this video, we are going to show you how to set up email marketing in Shopify if you are a beginner. Now, of course, you need to have a Shopify account, and once you're logged in and you're in your admin dashboard, what you want to do is look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu, right? So here, click on apps like so. This pop-up will appear. What you want to look for here is messaging. As you can see, we have messaging here, right? Because we have installed it previously. So if you haven't, type messaging. This used to be what they call email, right? This was email before, but they rebranded it to messaging. So once you click on messaging, you want to install it. It's very straightforward, right? If you go, let's go back to other apps. Let's go with all recommended apps like so. And just for this Klaviyo, right? Just click on this. It's very straightforward. It's just going to ask install, and you'll be good to go. But once you have your messaging app installed, right? What you want to do under messaging, click on templates like so. And this is what you're going to see first if you haven't done this already. So you need to create your first email template. So how do you do that? All you need to do is click on create template, and you're going to be brought to this page where there's a lot of preset templates here that you might want to check out. And the great thing about all of these is that you can customize this the way you want, whatever way you want, right? So for example, we want to use this one. There you go. Click select. Once you've selected this, you're going to be asked to, just put a name here. So let's say email marketing 1, right? Click save. And here, as you can see here, if you hover your cursor, your mouse in anywhere, in any element, you can actually pretty much customize every single thing, every single element, right? You can customize the font, you can customize the color, you can customize pretty much everything, right? So let's say you've customized everything, you're good to go. All you need to do is look towards, before you do anything, by the way, before you do anything, there's going to be some small options here. It says desktop, right? This is going to be what your customer will be looking at if they're using a computer or a laptop. But if you want to see what they're going to look like if your customer is going to view it on their mobile device, you can do this, and you're going to see this is what your email marketing pretty much campaign and template would look like, right, when they open the email. So once you've checked both, double check, triple check, quadruple check, make sure everything is correct, right? What you want to do is click send test, and here you can send a test email to your own email or whatever dummy email you're using, so that you can actually see it for yourself. So and as you can see, it says send. It sends up to 5 emails at once. So click send. After that, if you're good, all you need to do is click done. And there you go. You've already set up your first email marketing campaign. And all you need to do is, it's already here. Just if you have customers already, just go to customers, and you can't see it here because we don't have any, because this is a test shop. So go here and you can just choose whatever marketing template you're using. And for example, you can use this one, and you'll be set and you'll be sorted out. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.